crop is really a plant that helps to nourish the soil and get it ready for next year. So you could put in Austrian peas, fava beans, even crimson clover, and it'll help put nitrogen and other nutrients back in the soil. And in the springtime, the cover crop has done its job, so you just turn it back into the soil, it'll decompose and add even more nutrients into your soil. So here at Portland Nursery on Stark Street, they actually have different kinds of seed that you can get, or else in many of our other independent garden centers, they have bags of a mix of cover crop. And they also have a great handout here, or you can go on the Portland Nursery website and they also have a digital version there. You know, it's a great idea to put on our vegetable gardens. It actually makes it look a little prettier during the fall and winter, and it helps keep the rain from pounding down on that nice fresh soil. So think about putting cover crop in your vegetable gardens this year for a great soil next year.